Hey guys, today I thought I'd show my little babies. My babies, I mean kitties. Mittens, come back here. Come on. No, don't leave me. Roxy, Gizmo. Another little God wants Gizmo. It's cool. Gizmo. Come on. Yeah. No, I hate mittens. Smell the camera. Okay, so cleaning stuff. But yeah, as I was doing this, I was thinking about shouting out some people. So I'm probably gonna shout out. Probably gonna shout out Jay, and I know his real name. I'm gonna shout out Jay. Then I'm gonna shout out Ella Page. So hi Ella Page, if you're watching this. Hi. And Emily Rose. I know that there's a lot more to her name, but that's all I know. And then I'd like to shout out Mia Perring. She's a YouTuber. That's her exact name. That's her real name and YouTube name. Well, that's Mia Perring. So hi. And I'm gonna shout out one more person. And it's Roxy. Roxy, come here. Come on, you're the one who can bring that. You're the one. Okay, Roxy? No, you're not Roxy. Go, boy. This one's Roxy. Oh. That's the end of today's video, so bye. Say bye, Mittens. Say bye. That's a great goodbye.